here we are gonna solve a numerical which is based on Simpson's 3/8 rule, and we'll see what is the value of definite integral. So here we have integration from 0 to 6 e raised to x dx, and we have to get this value of integration by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. So guys, let's start. So first of all, to use the Simpson's 3/8 rule, we must find out the value of y at different subintervals. So guys, in between 0 and 6 we have to consider a number of subintervals, and for each interval or for each value of x we have to find out the corresponding value of y or the value of f of x, that is e raised to x. So here first of all I'll say let's consider value of x and then value of y. Let's find it out. So to get the value of y, the first value of x would be 0 and the last value will be 6. Now guys, here we have to consider the value of x in such a way that the last ordinate, that is the last value of y, will be the even value, because as I am using the Simpson's 3/8 rule, it has one condition that the last value of the ordinate must be multiple of 3. So here I have taken x as 0, and next now I'll take the values of x like this, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So by doing this you can observe that I am getting the first value as y0, then y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So as I said that for Simpson's 3/8 rule, the last value must be multiple of 3, and I am getting y6 where 6 is multiple of 3. So it means I have taken the right subintervals, and also the difference between any two subinterval is constant and which is equal to 1. So here I would say that h equal to 1. Now we'll find out the value of y for each value of x. So to get the value of y, here the function is e raised to x. So in this function e raised to x, we have to put the value of x. So first of all we'll put x as 0. So e raised to 0 will be 1. So value of y will be 1. And similarly we'll put these values, and guys I know you have calculator, so just open your calculator and put these values of x here in the power of e and get all the values. So by putting these values we'll get like the following series or following values of y, that is so guys, here we got the values of y for corresponding value of x, and you can check all these values in calculator and verify your answer. So after this we'll start with the Simpson's 3/8 rule. So first of all let's write down the formula of Simpson's 3/8 rule. So here I'll say by Simpson's 3/8 rule, the value of integration is given by 3h upon 8 into x plus 2t plus 3r, where h is the difference between two subintervals which we have considered as 1. So this will be 3 into 1 upon 8. X is the sum of extreme ordinates, t is the sum of multiple of 3 ordinates, and r is the sum of remaining ordinates. So let's find out these values first. So here I'll come and I'll say the value of x is equal to sum of extreme ordinates. So it will be sum of y0 and y6. So y0 plus y6. Now if I'll add y0 with y6, we'll get 404.4288. Next, let's find out the value of t, and in the end let's find out value of r. So t is nothing but sum of ordinates which are multiple of 3. So in extreme ordinates I have considered y0 and y6. Now these 5 ordinates are remaining, and in that only y3 is the ordinate which is multiple of 3. So I'll write down that value over there. So I'll say it is y3, which is equal to 20.0855. And after that, guys, we'll take the remaining ordinates. So remaining are y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5. So if you'll add all these values in calculator, you will get 213.1187. So guys, here we got the value of x, t and r. Now we'll put these 3 values in the formula. So here we'll get x, that is 404.4288 plus 2 times t, which is 20.0855 plus 3 times r. So 3 times the r is 213.1187. Now guys, the last step, that is we'll put all these values in the calculator, this expression in the calculator, and we'll get the final answer of I. So when you put these values in the calc, you should get the answer as 406.4835. So you can verify your answer as well. So here we got the value of the integration e raised to x dx from 0 to 6 with the help of Simpson's 3/8 rule. And I'm sure you like this video and you want to learn more videos on engineering mathematics. So guys, as I said, do not forget to log into Ekeeda.com, where you will get all the videos at one place, and also you can recommend to your friends so that they can also get the simplest way to learn engineering mathematics, and they can also get the good score in the examination. So keep learning, watch more videos. See you everybody in the next video. Thank you.